Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. It's Bilal Khalid. Guys, today we will talk about Epson L3150 printer or any other model by Epson. Whenever you turn on the printer, you will hear a strange noise and all light starts blinking. Okay, that's here we go. I turned it on, it's initializing, and suddenly you hear chi noise, and you can see noise, and then all lights will start blinking. It's the head is moving from right to left because printer is in initializing mode, but suddenly it's the drive is rotating very fast. Number one, the drive is rotating fast. Second, abnormally head starts moving, and look, like this noise. Okay, then starts blinking all lights. Today we will discuss about this issue and how to fix it and what is the main cause of this error. So let's move our camera and start the operation. First of all, turn off the printer, and second, remove these two screws from here. One is here and one is the top right side, and open the front cover. Okay, and we open the front cover, and I will teach you what is the issue of this abnormal error in this printer and why this drive start rotating very fast. I will turn off, and now we will open the front cover, and I will place something over here because okay, here we go. So we have to remove this top left cover. Okay, there's a lock over here, so carefully remove this left cover. Guys, the thing I want to show you that why this drive is rotating so fast. Okay, because if you will see in a zoom, you can see there is one sensor over here, and this is transparent circle shape cover. This transparent circle shape cover should fixed with this gear. Okay, so now in this case this is not fixed well. The solution over here, it's not fixing it well here. So actually this is the reason in this printer or any kind of Epson printer, if it's rotating very fast and with the noise, and after straight away it start blinking the all lights. So this is the main issue, because this part is not working well. Okay, so we have to do what? We will fix it back like this and place something over here, because this transparent shield should rotate with the gear. Okay, before it was rotating without gear, so that's why its sensor is not initializing well the combination, so that's why it's creating noise and start all lights blinking. So now what I will do, I will just fix it well because it's already and now I will just place some super glue over here, because I want this transparent shield to be fixed it with this gear permanently, so it should not remove in the future. So for this purpose I have to place one drop of super glue I got with me. If you got super glue any type of, I will just place one drop over here. Because I don't want it. Okay, this one drop is quite enough. Okay, no need to place more, and don't make sure that this transparent shield should not become dirty. I place one drop over here, and now I will wait to let it dry, then we will turn our printer on. Guys, as you can see, I placed one drop of super glue, and now this transparent shield is fixed well with the gear. Okay, so now what I will do, I will turn back on the printer, and suppose it should not rotate this gear very fast, it should rotate smoothly. So let me connect. I turn back on printer. We'll see now printer is working, and you can see power light start flashing, and now it's initializing, the head is moving left to right. So now you will see this transparent shield will rotate smoothly once, it will not create noise. Look, it's rotate fine. Before it was not rotating fine because it's out of the gear, and now printer is initializing and it will not give any error now. So anytime when you will see all lights start flashing, you have to make sure that this transparent shield is fixed well with the gear. Okay, now it's fine, initialized. Hope you understand the method about the error in Epson printer. If you have any other question regarding any kind of error in Epson printer, you can ask down in the comments. I will reply your questions. Thank you for watching. All the best.